Line item details can be used to plan at a more granular level for accounts or other dimensions in a cube. In this example, we can plan expenses at an account level, but we have the ability to insert an area in the template for more detailed planning. Let's insert a row for the 7,000 travel transportation account. The yellow highlight indicates an area where a user can input. We'll type the description, flight from Pittsburgh to NYC, and plan $350 for that flight. With line item details enabled, we still have the ability to plan without details. So let's plan $750 for lodging. Now let's plan our meals for this trip. Multi-insert can be used as a quick and easy way to insert multiple lines into the template for planning. So let's insert 3 rows, and then we'll just generically call these descriptions breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and put in their respective expenses. And you'll notice it subtotals all the details at the account level. Thanks for watching this tutorial on line item details.